are here in the airport. My son is not happy. Pinakilala tayong bagong Pilipina dito sa Singapore. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Annabelle's Vlogs! I'm on the way to the airport. It's time for me to go on vacation at this time. So guys, I'll see you first. I'll see you in Kochi. This is where our departure area. Okay, so and then after Kochi International Airport, we will be going to Singapore. That is actually my stopover or layover in Singapore for actually 6 hours. So come with me guys as I travel from Kochi to Singapore, Singapore to Philippines. So see you later guys. We are here in the airport. My son is not happy. Are you happy or no?
Enough, let's go.
Okay, we have to check in now. I have to go now. Okay. Internet check-in. Yeah, Singapore Airlines. Economy class.
Battery connected device inside checking.
Here, it's already here. Everything in my bag. And mag-check-in na ako. I'll put now the luggage. Now we're here in duty free. Yeah, this airport is so hot. Now let's go to our gate and wait there for our departure. Yan, I'm here in Singapore. I'm going to take the SkyTrain. I have to go to transfer from terminal. I'm currently in terminal 3 and then transferring to terminal 2. But for the meantime, I have 6 hours stop over here in Changi Airport in Singapore. So I will just roam around in Singapore Airport.
Ang pangalan niya si May at kami mag-breakfast dito sa McDonald's. Ayan, kain muna po kami. Kanina ko pa siya nakakausap kaya lang ngayon lang ako nag-vlog. Diba? O sige, kain muna kami. Ayan na, ito ang aming breakfast. Ang pancake, sa aking pancake. At sa'yo naman ay burger tsaka hash brown potato. Ako din. Sabik ako sa pancake. Tsaka sa McDonald's na pancake. Kaya matakaw, diba? Na ito. Ang laki. 51. Dito na ako.
Welcome to Philippines. Parang palengke lang.
O yan, ito na ang aking family. Oy, halika kayo, dali. Sama kayo sa vlog ko. Bakit ayaw mo, ate? Ayan na, nagkita-kita na kami. Welcome to the Philippines. Ayan na ang aking family. Ang mother ko. Saan si mother? Mother, say present. Ayan, tayo maglalakbay na papuntang Bulacan. See you later, guys!
A breathless whisper tells me it's over.